All right, guys, I'm going to walk you through how to do the video tutorial. First, you're going to need to find your data table from your tennis ball lab. Then you just need to show me you know how to use the calculator. So you should be able to go in, open a new document, don't save what's there. See if I can get that to focus a little better. Okay, add a list in the spreadsheet. Show me the changes that you have to make. Show me how to put the data in. Show me what next steps I have to do, and make sure you point out key things like this cannot be on top of your data or it'll overwrite it. This is the best place for it. And then just go ahead and do pull up your table, pull up the quadratic regression, make sure you change the appropriate things, and then it's going to pop this out. Now, if you don't remember what to push to get to here, you need to be using your journal. You have all the steps in your journal called quadratic regression. Every step is there. Make sure you point out that when they're doing this, you're going to need to write down these numbers to get your equation. Don't round them to a whole number. Keep 2 decimal places. Show them how to put this in a graph now. So remember, we're going to go Document, Insert, Graph. Then we just put in our equation. Press Enter to have it graph. Make sure you show them how to do menu 5.1 to trace. And that if it's not telling you, that is a y-intercept, but if it's not telling you, you can just press the up arrow and the label will pop up. Point out how to find the maximum or the minimum, which is also your vertex. This is your coordinates. Make sure you're showing.
So after breakfast time, it is time to take my vitamins. So again, this is a persona nutrition. How to type.
Make sure you're showing how to get the 0 or the x-intercept here. And that's everything you need to show for that first example. You need to show me how to get those. Now for your quadratic factored form, you're going to be using these notes. Make sure you pick a question from your assignment, not from the notes. If it's a question I did on here, it's a no-go. You've got to do one that's from your assignment. So I'm going to do this one. I want to know that you need to set up the big X. I want to know how you know what goes on top. And I want to know how you know what goes on the bottom. Then this multiplies to 36. I need to break this down to its factors. Now 6 and 6 are close. They multiply to 36, but they don't add to 13. So I need some other factors. I could do 12 and 3, but those aren't going to add to 13. I could do 9 and 4, and those do work. So that's what I'm going to use. So I'm going to set up my factors. And it's going to be x plus 9, x plus 4. Now because we multiplied by 6, we're going to divide by 6. And if we can reduce, we're going to reduce. So this is going to be x plus 3 over 2. You know what? I should probably show you. 3 times 3. 2 times 3. 2 times 2. 2 times 3. So all I did was break down 9. 9 is 3 times 3. 6 is 2 times 3. 4 is 2 times 2. 6 is 2 times 3. And we just cancel out anything we can. Then whatever's left, we put in front. Now to check this, we're simply going to show how to multiply it out. So we're just using the FOIL method. And that's it. We got back to what we started with. So now we're done.